Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the World Cup on FIFA 14. First, launch the game and head to the main menu. Look for the International Cup or World Cup option, which is typically found under the Play or Tournaments section. Once you've located it, select your favorite national team from the available options. You're now ready to embark on your journey to global football glory. This mode offers a fantastic way to experience the excitement of international competition. The World Cup mode in FIFA 14 mirrors the real-life tournament structure. You'll start in a group stage with 4 teams playing 3 matches. Your goal is to finish in the top 2 of your group to qualify for the knockout rounds. From there, it's a single elimination format, meaning every match is crucial. You'll face the round of 16, quarterfinals, semifinals, and ultimately, the grand final. When selecting your team, you have a vast array of national teams to choose from, representing countries across the globe. Before each match, take a moment to review your squad and adjust your formation and tactics. Consider your opponent's strengths and weaknesses. Don't forget to use your 3 available substitutions wisely during the game to bring on fresh legs or change your strategy. To win the World Cup, consistent performance is key. You'll need to play your best in every single match, from the group stage to the final. Practice your offensive plays to score goals and refine your defensive tactics to keep clean sheets. With dedication and skill, you can lead your chosen nation to victory and lift the coveted trophy, becoming the virtual World Cup champions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.